Saja. وَاللَّيْلِ, I swear by night. إِذَا saja, when it becomes still and lifeless. Let's see what else he says. وَهُمَا وَقْتَانْ فِي مُنْتَهَى الرِّقَّةِ عَلَى النَّفْسِ الْبَشَرِيَّةِ. He adds another comment of reflection on this. He says both of these times are important from a psychological point of view on the human nafs, on the human personality. Islahi commented on this further. He said that, these two times are very, very opposite. And Allah is alluding to these two times because these are it alludes to different kinds of emotions or situations people face. Sometimes life is easy, sometimes life is difficult. Sometimes there's happiness, sometimes there's sadness. Sometimes there's ease, sometimes there's difficulty. Sometimes there's relaxation, other times there's pain. And you would think, why isn't there always ease? Why isn't there always relaxation? But if you reflect, you will learn, just like the night and the day, the night when it becomes totally still, it is the time that all of the animals and human beings, they get a chance to rest and sleep. That is an important part of life, to go through the darkness. So what we're learning almost by drawing a conclusion from that is, going through hard times in life is actually a part of life. And you have to go through it because there are some things in our personality, some good qualities that Allah put in us, you never get to harness them and to develop them until you are put in a difficult situation. I'll give you an example, sabr. If life is always easy, you would never learn to have sabr. It's a quality Allah put inside of us, it's a virtue Allah put inside of us, but it only comes out, and it only manifests, and it only blooms under difficult circumstances. Gratitude. Only when something is taken away, you become more grateful of what you had. And when you get even a little, the gratitude comes out and harnesses. So even in difficulty, there's a blessing. The day has its soothness and its comfort and its relaxation. And yes, the night is still and deathly, and it's motionless and it's depressing, but both of them have a role to play. So that's what he's talking about as far as them having an effect on the person. But the other thing that's also really interesting is that both of these times are very soothing. The morning time is relaxing, and the deepest part of night is also basically a time of deep rest. Now, وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. Just incredibly beautiful words. And we're going to see this lesson, what we're learning here, وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. This lesson will keep coming back as the surahs continue from here to the end of Qur'an, in different wordings. But let's talk about these words first and foremost. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ. Typically in Arabic we just say وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ. The hereafter is better. But Allah says really the hereafter is better. لَلْآخِرَةُ. The extra la in akhirah is lam at-tawkeed. Now this is used in Arabic in two ways. One way it's used is to swear. I swear the next life is better. Allah is saying, I swear the next life is better.